A while ago, a company reached out to me willing to send me their latest camera external monitor for review. When I heard external monitor, I quickly got excited because my very first product review on the channel was the Aperture Fine HD VS2 field monitor, and it was the reason for me to move into technology reviews. In the email communication, the person who reached out to me kept referring to the company as Desview. And even though their logo was clearly resembling the title BestView, I kept correcting myself in my initial unboxing video that I did, especially when I saw this Amazon listing for the exact monitor that is called in fact Desview. While recording the unboxing video, I kept debating in my head the name of the company. Even my wife laughed at me for referring to the company as Desview when it clearly reads BestView. At that time, I saw the company's official US store, and it was clear to me that the rep kept feeding me the wrong company info. But why? Hey guys, this is Z, and today I'm going to tell you about this field monitor called BestView model number S5. By the way, I'm going to give away this very monitor, so stay until the end of this video to find out how you can snatch it. So Shenzhen BestView Electronic Co. is, as you can tell, a Chinese manufacturer that was established in 2009. At least that's what I was able to find out. From their website, you can tell that they're serious about their focus on field monitors and industrial solutions. The S5 is one of the 4 external screen solutions that they offer, and it's their most compact one. When I unboxed it, I was pleasantly surprised by the size of the screen and by the fact that it follows the bezel-less smartphone trend with its small top and bottom frames. In the box, the screen arrives in a plastic impact-resistant case that looks like something a villain might steal from Tom Cruise in a Mission Impossible movie. It also has a very premium clothing pouch, which is perhaps what you will use most of the time. The monitor has a special sunshield frame which holds the sun hood with Velcro, and it attaches to the monitor via its plastic hooks on the back. It's actually quite simple to attach when you need to work on bright sunlight conditions. Also in the box, there's a metal arm that screws on top of your camera and holds the screen. On the side of the arm, there's a cold shoe mount which can be used to attach an external mic, for example. One of the small boxes within the package holds the 2 HDMI cables, one ending with a mini HDMI port and the other with a micro HDMI. The other small box holds the D-tap cable which you can use to run the screen via a power source. Finally, there's a small cleaning cloth and some paperwork. One thing missing from the box is a battery, so keep that in mind. The screen uses F970 series batteries. The actual monitor is very light and it uses soft plastics which makes it look very sturdy and able to withhold some serious conditions. The main controls are on the top, which I find inconvenient because your side arrows are on the left and your up and down arrows are on the right. In fact, the whole menu UI is a bit slow to work with, but not difficult at all, just slow. On one side of the body there's the DC in and out and the HDMI port, and on the other there's the 1/4 mount and the power button. On the back there's a battery slot with the release tab. Connecting it to your camera is very simple and the short cables are quite soft, which makes the whole rig very clean and easy to work with. The BestView S5 comes with standard functions like check fields, for example false color, zebra, histogram and more, and has peaking options as well. Since there's no sensors in it, if you decide to flip the screen forward, you have to manually rotate the picture from the UI. One thing BestView has thought about is quick functions or the option to program the arrow controls on top to work as various shortcuts. Another thing I enjoyed is the additional options like aspect ratio guidelines and of course color settings. I tested the S5 on a very bright day with the hood on, and it's easy to see and work with as long as the sunlight is not direct. The 160-degree viewing angle does work as advertised, and the full HD resolution helps displaying the details of what your camera sees. So if you have a camera that lacks rotating flip screen, meaning you cannot see yourself when recording or God forbid you have bad autofocus, this BestView screen is a great option for you. It looks sleek, it doesn't add bulk to your rig, and most of all it has a decent display with all the bells and whistles you might expect at this price point. Talking about price, this little guy costs $169 US. I'll put a link in the description below. There are cheaper solutions out there, but yet again, there are way more expensive field monitors that offer similar specs, so you might want to consider it. Like I told you in the beginning of the video, I will give away this BestView S5 monitor to someone who really needs it. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment as to why you would need it. For example, what camera you're going to use it for, etc, etc. Basically, I want to give it to someone who really deserves it. No minimum video likes required, no BS. The giveaway is international so long you're capable of covering the shipping cost. The giveaway ends on the 24th of May, and this is when I will announce the winner on Twitter. It's been an absolute pleasure. This is E, over and out.